Zhongshan FEILONG Lighting Technology Company Limited was located in South China. The company was founded in 2009, which has been committed to the development production of exquisite, beautiful, safe, green energy-saving lighting products. Our main products are LED street light, LED floodlight, LED high bay light, LED canopy light, and LED tunnel lighting products. We have a strong design team. They are committed to new product designing. Every season, we launch new products. We offer OEM and ODM service. Many kinds of our products have invention and design patent certificate. A big sales team will ensure your inquiries be replied timely and professionally, and the team will be enlarging this year. Currently, satisfactory quality and after-sales service makes us gain lots of customers all over the world. Here is one workshop and about 20 workers who can create output of 1,500 pieces. LED lights monthly. FEILONG aims at the guaranteed quality with the affordable price. Quality is the first, and we will try to meet all your demands. The dream of FEILONG is to become a famous international brand company in the world. This is what we are seeking for. Our products are becoming mature. We will give more new energy-saving engineering solutions based on your actual requirement. Welcome to inquiry or visit us.